So, I'll show you how to install Dev C++. So, punta lang kayo sa browser nyo and then punta kay Google. So, search nyo lang si Dev C++ download. Ayan, any naman dyan will do. So, I'll just click yung galing dito kay sourceforge.net and then download. And then wait nyo lang ma-download yung file. Ayan, so downloading na siya. 48 MB, almost 50 MB. Ayan, so it may take some time kung mabagal yung internet. And so once downloaded, just open the file. And then click nyo yung yes to install. So mag-initialize yung installer, lalabas yan. And then click OK, select your language. And then agree with the user agreement. And then you may leave this one as default. Just click next. So you can change the installation directory if you want. So sa akin, I just leave it as is. So click install. And then the installer will extract the following files for your dev C. And then you can uncheck this one, pero iwan ko na naka-check. And then I click finish. So pag naka-check, mag-open siya automatic. So it will give you this first window. So I just select English. Then next, you can change the font style, color, etc. Pero iwan ko na yan as is. And then click OK. Then you have this one. So to create new file, Control N or File New. And Control N. Sa Control Scroll Up para i-zoom. Yan. So mag Hello World. Let's try to display Hello World. So IO stream. Then using namespace, std, int main, return 0, and then cout, hello world, and semicolon. Then to run it, uh, compile means it will just translate your code to machine language. Ayan. Run naman, i-run niya yung created.exe file which has the machine language. However, pag di mo kinompile, di ka pa makakapag-run. And then, if you want to do compile and run, so click nyo lang yung compile and run para hindi na kayo malito. So, compile F9, F10 run, F11 compile and run. So, these are first program, F11 ako. Ay, nawal. Hello. So, F11. So, we need to save. Sabihin natin, hello world. And so, it will compile and run. So, ito yung output natin. So, kunyari binago natin, hello everything, ganyan. So, pag hindi natin siya kinompile, tapos nag-run agad tayo, you still get the old output. Ayan. That's why you need to um, compile it before you run it. So, try natin i-compile. So, it will generate the new .exe and then yung bagong .exe and then run. So, makikita nyo, napalitan na siya. So, to make, you can change the color of your console. So, kanya hacker man kayo, font layout, font color, screen text, gawin natin green. And then, font size, font 18. close na. Ta's run ulit natin. F11. Ayan. Ay, ba't 'di nagbago yung color? Screen text, green. Hindi siya nag-a-apply. Okey, pero sa'kin ay mag-apply. Pero that mag-a-apply, yun nag-apply. Ayan. If you want, ayan, color green yung ating screen text. So that's how you ano, that's how you install your Dev C++.